G901 MAX, SG901 MAX, GPS brushless 4K HD drone. Professional FPV quadcopter with 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Introducing the G901 MAX, also known as SG901 MAX, a powerful, lightweight GPS drone equipped with advanced brushless motors, dual 4K HD cameras, intelligent flight controls, and 360 degrees infrared obstacle avoidance. Whether you're a beginner pilot or an experienced aerial content creator, this drone delivers exceptional value with features usually reserved for high-end models. Designed for smooth, stable flight and crystal-clear imaging, the G901 MAX makes it easy to capture breathtaking aerial footage while offering smart features that make flying intuitive, safe, and fun. Key features and benefits: dual 4K HD cameras with optical flow. The front-facing wide-angle 4K camera captures vivid, high-resolution photos, 4096x2160p, and Full HD videos, 1920x108p at 20 fps. The bottom HD optical flow camera provides stability and can be switched for alternate perspectives. 90 degrees adjustable camera angle via remote lets you fine-tune your shot without needing to land the drone. Brushless motors for smooth power. Equipped with brushless motors, the drone offers quieter operation, greater power, and longer service life compared to traditional brushed motors. Enhanced resistance to wind for steadier outdoor performance. GPS plus optical flow dual positioning. Combines GPS satellite positioning with optical flow stabilization for precise hovering and smoother flight. Return to home, RTH. Functionality ensures the drone safely returns when the battery is low or signal is lost. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Advanced infrared obstacle avoidance sensors detect obstacles from multiple directions and automatically stop the drone before collision. Fly with greater confidence in complex environments. Note: infrared detection may not function under strong direct light. FPV transmission via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Real-time image transmission to your smartphone through the companion app. Enables FPV, first-person view, flight for immersive piloting and framing. Long flight time with smart battery. Includes a 3.7 volts 3800 mAh Li-ion battery, providing up to 25 minutes of flight time under optimal conditions. Long-lasting power for extended photo and video sessions. Intelligent app control and smart flight modes. Control the drone through the mobile app or the included remote, with functions such as trajectory flight, waypoint planning, draw a flight path directly on the app screen. Gesture photo and video, snap photos or start recording with simple hand gestures. Headless mode, simplifies control by aligning the drone's movement to your direction. One key takeoff and landing. Altitude hold, hovering mode. 360 degrees flip stunts, app enabled. What's in the box? One SG901 MAX RC quadcopter. One remote controller, with built-in rechargeable battery. One 3.7 volts, 3800 mAh lithium battery. 4 spare propellers. 1 USB charging cable. 1 screwdriver. 2 user manuals. Product specifications. Model SG901 MAX. G901 MAX camera resolution. Photo: 4096x2160p. Camera resolution. Video: 1920x108p at 20 fps. Camera angle adjustable 90 degrees via remote. Motors brushless. Positioning GPS plus optical flow. Flight time approximately 25 minutes. Battery 3.7 volts, 3800 mAh Li-ion. Charging time approximately 4 hours. Drone size 31x29x9 cm, unfolded. 13x9x8.5 cm, folded. Drone weight 196 grams. With battery, transmission frequency 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Travel ready and legal friendly. At just 196 grams, the SG901 MAX is under the 250 grams weight threshold in many countries, which means no registration or certification is required in places like the US, UK, and most of the EU. Check your local laws. Foldable and compact, it fits in your backpack, making it the perfect travel companion for capturing your adventures from above. Why choose the G901 MAX? Dual 4K camera system with adjustable lens. Powerful brushless motors for stable flight. GPS plus optical flow for precise positioning. 25-minute long flight time. Obstacle avoidance for safer flying. Lightweight and portable. No registration needed in most regions. Ideal for beginners and pros alike.